Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off touch sound on your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the go to any app to open or go to navigation. Okay, for each touch, each press, you will experience one sound. Okay, small sound. Okay, you will hear small sound. Okay, if you would like to turn off that sound, that is called a touch sound. If you would like to turn off that sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system sound, and here just turn off touch interactions. Under sounds, click on touch interactions, just turn it off so that touch sound will not occur. Okay, hereafter if you touch any item or if you go for any navigation here, there will be no touch sound. In this way you can easily turn off touch sound on phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.